Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Every Day. Today, we have something exciting for you.
Hi, Jamie. Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to be here. How are you feeling today, Jamie?
I'm feeling really good, Taylor. Actually, I'm excited because today's topic is something I'm passionate about.
Oh, I can hear the excitement in your voice. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're going to talk about how you can become a confident English speaker using just 500 words. No need to memorize thousands.
Wait, really? That sounds almost too good to be true. Most people think you need to know so many words.
I know, right? But here's the thing, Taylor. It's not about how many words you know. It's about how well you can use the words you already have.
Ah, I see. Quality over quantity.
Exactly. And before we dive in, everyone listening, please subscribe to English Every Day. Give us a like and share this episode with anyone learning English.
Yes, please do. Your support helps us make more content like this.
Okay, Taylor, so tell me more about this idea.
Let me ask you something, Jamie. Have you ever met someone who says they know thousands of English words, but when you ask them, "What did you do yesterday?" they freeze?
Yes, that's frustrating. But here's the good news. If you know around 500 common words really well, you can understand and participate in almost 85 to 90% of daily conversations.
Wow, that changes everything. So instead of learning 10,000 words, focus deeply on these core words.
Exactly. But the key word is deeply. It's not just recognizing words, it's truly owning them.
Owning them? What does that mean exactly?
Great question. Let me give you an example. Many students know the word go, right?
Yes, of course.
But do they know how to use it naturally in different ways? Like go out, go back, go ahead, go crazy, go missing.
Ah, I see. Knowing the word is one thing. Using it automatically in real sentences is another.
Exactly. When you truly own a word, you can use it without thinking in many different situations.
That's brilliant. Depth, not breadth.
Perfect. And you know what, Taylor? This approach reduces stress for learners.
How so?
Imagine someone tells you to learn 5,000 words. How does that feel? Overwhelming, right?
Very. Like climbing a huge mountain with no end in sight.
Exactly. But if someone says focus on 500 words, learn them well, suddenly it feels possible.
True. It's like looking at one step at a time instead of the whole staircase.
Exactly. Okay, let's talk about how listeners can start this today.
Yes, a practical plan, step by step.
Step 1. Choose your core vocabulary. Most common 500 words. Make it personal.
Personal? What do you mean?
Well, if you're a student, words like homework, exam, assignment, study. If you work in an office, meeting, email, project, deadline.
Ah, start with common words, then add your daily life words. Makes it meaningful.
Exactly. Step 2. Never learn words alone. Learn them in context, in real sentences.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Instead of just writing eat equals to have food, write a sentence. I eat breakfast with my sister every morning.
That's much more useful. Learning the word and how to use it at the same time.
Exactly. Pro tip, say the sentence out loud. Maybe even record yourself.
Record myself. Sounds scary.
I know, but so helpful. You hear your progress, catch mistakes, build confidence.
That's true. It's like being your own teacher.
Step 3, connect new words to words you already know.
How does that work?
Imagine you know go, home, early, work. Now combine I go to work early. Next day, learn bus, ticket. I go to work early because the bus ticket is cheaper.
Wow. Vocabulary grows naturally.
Step 4. Once a week, tell a small story about your life using only core words.
Like what?
Yesterday, I went to the park. I saw a dog. I walked home. I cooked dinner. Simple, real life.
Perfect. Small words, meaningful sentences.
Exactly. And these 500 words cover most everyday conversations.
What if someone feels embarrassed? My sentences are too simple.
Important question. Native speakers use simple words daily. Grocery store, friends, casual chats. I'm tired. What's up? Clear, simple, natural.
Ah, simple can be sophisticated.
Yes. And remember the 80-20 rule. 20% of your words, core 500, give 80% of communication power.
That's amazing. So focus on what matters most.
Like cooking. You may have 100 spices, but salt, oil, pepper, garlic, those are essential. Same in English. Core words matter most.
Great analogy.
Practice. Daily, 15 to 20 minutes is enough. Morning, review sentences. Afternoon, listen for core words. Evening, speak or write a short story.
That's manageable. 15 minutes a day?
Yes, muscle memory. Like driving a car. At first, think about everything. Later, automatic.
Fluency is automatic. Language as a practiced skill.
Mistakes. Serious. Not enemies. Teachers. Correcting yourself shows growth. Native speakers make mistakes too.
Connection over perfection.
Common phrases now. Excited. Make breakfast, make friends, make time. Take a shower, take care, take responsibility. Have fun, have lunch, have a conversation. Core words, many useful sentences.
Learning deeply, not widely.
Feelings. Anxiety is normal. Focused approach helps. Small wins build dopamine, confidence, and motivation.
Real life situations. Airport. Excuse me. Hotel. Can I have a room? Restaurant. Can I have the bill? Meeting people. Hi, my name is... Simple phrases cover most situations.
Avoid mistakes. Lists without context. Silent learners. Too much, too fast. Learn 10 words deeply, not 50 superficially.
Fun practice. Describe daily routine using core words. Your speed, comprehension, confidence grow. Fluency breakthrough after months. Automatic English.
Comprehensible input. Listen or read slightly above your level. Snowball effect. Vocabulary grows naturally.
Challenge. Pick 10 words, make 5 sentences. Say out loud 3 times. Tomorrow, add 5 more. 30 days equals 150 words owned, not just known.
Summary. Focus 500 core words, learn deeply, context, daily practice, mistakes or teachers, speak from day 1, fluency gradually. Compare yourself to yesterday.
Keep practicing, stay confident. English every day.
You don't need perfect English, just clear, confident communication.
See you next time.